Hello everyone, it's your boy Rainbow. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry that my voice is not normal. Not only did I just wake up, I also woke up sick and with a fever. So, double bonus. Don't worry guys, I probably will recover soon. It's not that serious. But enjoy the voice change, I guess. I don't know. But I really wanted to make one of these episodes of the Let's Talk series. I'm really glad that some of you guys are actually enjoying it. They're not my popular videos, I've noticed, but I understand, you know. A lot of people don't want to sit through a 30-minute video, and that's completely fine, but I am still grateful that there's still people that support the videos and that still watch these. So I'll continue making them because I really do love making these episodes a lot. But as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be talking about life. And we're going to be talking about how we should focus more on life and the journey instead of the destination. Now you might be wondering, what is a journey? What is life? Why is life a journey? Well, journeys are essentially a walk of life. It's a path that we all take whenever we're born. Some of us follow our destined path. Some of us follow different paths. Some of us make a new path and we walk upon it. That's a journey. That's life. I've always asked myself, what's the meaning of life and why are we all here in this planet Earth? What's the purpose of living? And to answer that question, life just is. I believe that everyone that comes here on Earth has a purpose, has a mission. But at the end of the day, we all came here to enjoy it. We all came here to live it. And life is just an experience. The meaning of life is to just live, experience, feel, and do. Nothing else to it. And it sounds simple, but I know that a lot of us have had our challenges and our difficulties and our obstacles and our sufferings. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. See, every human being, every being on this planet, whether it's the trees, whether it's the air, whether it's the earth, whether it's us, the human beings, right? Every single thing is a being that has its own path, its own journey. You could see a whole field of flowers and you could be saying, oh, those are so beautiful. But each flower took time to grow. There was a process before becoming a flower. A lot of people nowadays, right, because of social media and because of the internet, we've had accessibility and access to everything. Literally, if there's anything we want, we have it at the snap of our fingers. Because it's that easy now. We can access videos, photos of anyone and everything on the internet. And because of that, sometimes when we look through our social medias, we have the tendency to compare ourselves to other people, because social media, unfortunately, reflects the perfect and desired reality of ourselves. And I want to remind you guys that social media isn't real. I want to remind you guys of that. Even this channel that you're seeing, you're only seeing a part of me. You're only seeing the part that I want to put out, because everything is a play. Everything is not real. It's just an illusion, so to speak. So treat social media like an illusion, because what we tend to do when we scroll on social media is we tend to compare ourselves. Oh, they went to Paris. I wish I could go to Paris. Oh, they have a clear skin routine. I wish I had the money and the thing to clear my skin up. Oh my gosh, they look so pretty. Yet I look in the mirror and I feel so ugly. Right? We feel the need to compare ourselves. But we gotta remind ourselves that we're all beautiful. That we're all on our journeys. Right? We're all individuals. We're all independent. You know, we have our own different personalities, our own different journeys. You can't copy someone. You can't be someone else. You can imitate them. You can, you know, have the same voice as someone. Maybe have similar interests. Maybe have similar looks. But no one's the same. Not even twins. Okay? Twins also have their unique personality, even though they look the same. Everyone has their own journey. Let's say, for example, you're given a seed and your friend is given the same seed. But how you grow that apple seed is based on you. It's based on how you want to grow that seed. For your friend, maybe they used organic soil, but maybe you decided to use the soil in your backyard. And your friend all of a sudden already has a plant, a sprout, within less than 2 weeks, whereas you are struggling to even get something out of the seed. And after a while, you notice that your friend plants this beautiful tree in their backyard after, let's say, around 5 years, and you have a similar tree. However, the tree looks a bit different after 5 years. And you might be wondering, Rainbow, why are we talking about trees? Why are we talking about this? Well, we as humans, we're all different, but at the end of the day, we're gonna reach the same destination. We're all gonna die. And I know that I try to keep it optimistic and positive on this channel, but let's face it, everything that's created, there's always something to destroy it. Everything that's on this earth will be destroyed at one point, even Earth. Okay, nothing's gonna last forever. And that's the part of human life. We're meant to be born in order to die. But what counts is that we live while we're waiting to die. And I know that sounds a little morbid, that sounds a little scary, but trust me, humans are reaching the same destination. We're reaching death at some point. Yes, we die at different times, but it's ultimately the same destination. We go to the afterlife. We die, basically. So, I want to remind you, don't stress over where you are in life right now, because where you are in life right now is where you're meant to be. Everyone has their own path. Everyone has their own journey. Some go slower, some go faster. Hell, some of them don't even start until they have enough courage to start it, you know, their new life, their new path. But ultimately, those journeys are valid. I always remind myself, like, no one's going to be in the same journey that I am. No one has gone through the things that I've been through. I've been on those things alone. I walk this path alone. Yes, I have people that support me, that encourage me, that are my cheerleaders, that are my friends, that are my family members. I have people that guide me, spirits and beings that I believe in, that give me a hand when I ask for help. But at the end of the day, it's I that walk this path, that I choose. You should all be proud of where you are right now. I know times are difficult and challenging, but you should all be proud of yourselves for even making it through and for even being alive. Life is tough. Life will give you lemons. Life will throw all the obstacles, but you have to be strong and overcome them in your way. And I just want to say to everyone watching this video that I'm proud of you for continuing your journey, for living, because that's essentially the purpose of life. It's to just live and experience all these things, because there's always a reason why certain things happen. And I hope that you continue on the path that you choose, and I hope that the path that you choose is for your own good. And I want everyone to know that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Don't rush it. Take your time. Go at whatever pace you want to in life, but just remember to experience it and have fun, right? See the beauty of life, because what matters most is the journey, not the destination. And the journey that you're going through right now, which is life, teaches you so many things. Life is your teacher, and it will teach you so many beautiful things. It will teach you how to stay safe. It will teach you a lot of experiences, but ultimately they're yours, and they're meant to help you reach your purpose. You are where you're meant to be right now, and you'll get there at the right timing. You'll get to your destination, to your purpose, to your mission at the right time. I believe that everybody has a mission, has a purpose on this earth, but it's up to you whether you want to follow that purpose or mission. And everyone has the freedom to go after what they want, and everyone deserves the freedom to get what they want. And at that, we'll finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am wishing every single one of you the best, and I just want to say again that I'm proud of all of you, and you should be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace out.